Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh no, my bun is cut off. I need that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I am obsessed with decorating for the holidays. And in today's video, we are decorating my tiny kitchen. I have a very small kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen, I will say, but I don't have a ton of counter space to decorate. I'm going to be letting you guys know my tips and tricks for getting a really festive look in your kitchen if you don't have that much space and you don't really like the clutter. I hate clutter in the kitchen. It drives me insane when I can't use my kitchen to its fullest potential, so I am lightly decorating but making a big punch, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I'm also going to be doing just a teeny itsy bitsy bit of light cleaning in the kitchen. I don't normally do cleaning videos, but if you guys would like to see them, let me know and I will absolutely start incorporating those into my channel. I just needed to do just some surface level stuff before I started decorating. I always do, I just don't always do it on camera. So there is just a little bit of cleaning in today's video, and yeah, without further ado, I am going to flip the camera around and we are going to start cleaning and decorating. All right, you guys, here's everything we are going to be using to decorate. Anything that I can link below for you guys, I will, and I'll let you know where everything is from once we get to decorating. But if you have watched my Decorate With Me videos, then you know I like to set everything out just so it makes it really easy to see everything that I have and I don't forget about anything that way. But before we get to decorating, I do need to do just a touch of light cleaning in my kitchen. All I really have to do is wipe down the counters and put a few things away. So I'll show you what the kitchen is looking like right now. And I normally do this off camera, but I have gotten some questions about the Mrs. Meyer's products and which scents I like. So I figured I would show you guys what I'm using and what I love. So here is the kitchen right now. It's not too bad. Like I said, I'm just gonna do a little bit of a surface level cleaning tonight. And I think I'll do more of a deep cleaning tomorrow, and I'll do the floors tomorrow too. But I'm just gonna put some things away and clear off the countertops. So what I love to use during the Christmas season for my cleaning are these Mrs. Meyer's scented products. I love the peppermint multi-surface spray. Smells like a candy cane. It's so good. I use this all winter long actually, so it's a really good one. But the one that I love to use the most in December is Iowa Pine. It smells like a Christmas tree, but a little bit less harsh. So since I do love the scent of Christmas trees, I just don't love it to be overpowering. So I like to use this on the dishes. It smells like a lot more fresh to use this on the dishes, and it doesn't like overpower the kitchen or anything. And then I just love this scent in general, so I love to smell it all over when I do all of the countertops and the cabinets and everything. So that is what I use. I do have a code with Grove Collaborative that gets you a 5-piece set, including these products for free with your first purchase of $20. I will have that link down below for you guys in case you guys are interested in getting the Christmas scent so that even your cleaning is festive, okay? That's what I like, to be festive AF during the Christmas season, and you can't do that without the Mrs. Meyer's products. So I'll have those linked down below for you guys. Before I do anything with this, first I gotta put these away, and also I gotta put this stuff away. So I have a tiny kitchen, and any kitchen appliance that doesn't need to be out daily, I don't keep out on my countertops. That's just a habit, I guess, I picked up from my parents. Even though we didn't have small kitchens growing up, they always made us put away appliances that didn't need to be out. So like our toaster always had to get put away. It was kind of crazy, but I've just done the same, and it helps to keep my countertops looking really clutter-free and clear and clean. So I love that. I'm gonna be putting my air fryer away and my toaster. By the way, I'll link this down below. This would be an excellent gift for Christmas. We use this to make healthy chicken wings like once a week at least, so we love this. It does have a nice big drawer there, so you can do quite a few chicken wings at once. And then I need to find a spot for this. This has absolutely no reason to be in the kitchen right now, but it has our extra light bulbs. We did our outdoor lights and we used these. And then the other thing that I need to put away, or I'll actually probably use one of these, are these Rae Dunn mugs that I found. I'm not really collecting Rae Dunn anymore. I'm totally set with my collection, and actually I decluttered quite a bit of it. I kept all of my Halloween and fall, of course, and most of my Christmas, but I got rid of pretty much everything else unless it was something that my dad gave to me. So I did come across these though, and I thought they were so cute. They are gift sets with like a hot chocolate in there, and then it comes with this hot chocolate spoon too with the peppermint. It looks so good. And I thought the phrase snow day was adorable because you can keep this out all winter long, even after Christmas ends. So I had to have this. I thought that it would be really fun to do a giveaway of one of these. I know that this mug is on a lot of people's wish list. It's pretty hard to find, I guess. And quite a few of you have told me that you have such a hard time finding any Rae Dunn. So I just wanted to give you guys one as a token of my appreciation. So this is a giveaway. All you have to do to enter is, of course, be a subscriber, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below if you have had a snow day in your town yet. We've had one, and I am just praying that we have a few more and that we get a white Christmas too. That would be amazing. But make sure you check the description box below to make sure you're eligible to enter. I will announce a winner a week from today in my community tab. Only my subscribers get notified of the posts in my community tab, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already so that you can be notified when I announce a winner. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support, especially over the past couple months. It has really lifted my spirits during a hard time. And I just want to say thank you. And I wish I could do more. I wish I could give you guys each something, but I hope this will make at least one person's day. So I will make sure to have the details in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And now that I have sufficiently rambled, let's get to cleaning. I'm going to put this stuff into the dishwasher.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. What's under the Christmas tree for you and me? Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming.
So now that the countertops are clean and the dishes are put away, I am getting started on my coffee area. Of course, I have to clean this as well. I do the countertops and my Keurig, and I always forget to take my K-cups out once I'm done with them. Does anybody else do that, or is it just me? And by the way, if you notice that smudge on my Keurig, it's from when I had wet nails and I was a little bit too ambitious. So I ended up just cleaning that off with a little bit of nail polish remover off camera. So as far as my coffee station goes, I do tend to decorate this a little bit more than any other area in my kitchen, just because this little counter space, all I use it for is making coffee. So if you have an area in your kitchen where you don't really do anything of importance in there, like your kitchen prep or anything, utilize that area for your decor, and then your decor won't take away from the functionality of your kitchen. And here I'm just showing you all the different ways that I set this up to see if I like it. And in the end, I really did love it. I used some Dollar Tree mugs with the snowflakes, and you'll see that print throughout my kitchen as we decorate, and I think it just turned out great. So I went ahead and hung a couple garlands above my sink off camera. Both are from Michaels, and I just have them hung up with command hooks. I just didn't do it on camera because you don't want to see me struggling on top of the counters, you guys. But I just love how simple this is. It doesn't take up any counter space, but it's super festive and just absolutely stunning in my opinion. Okay, so now I have a couple more tips for you guys. If you can decorate on a tray, that will really help everything look organized and intentional. And then if you have something that has to sit out on your counter, for me, it's a dog treat canister. There always has to be one. put your other decor around it, make a little cluster, and that way you don't have just little knickknacks sitting all over the whole length of your countertop. It'll look way more intentional, way more organized, and especially when you put it on a tray. And of course, you can't forget the cookie scented candle in your kitchen this holiday. It definitely smells like I'm baking, although I am not right now, and your girl needs to stop eating sweets.
Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need...
So it's sad to say, but this is the biggest stretch of countertop space that I have, so I have to really be intentional over here. And I like to just put like one large taller item over here, something that is big enough to make a statement but doesn't take up a big footprint. And there's something about fresh flowers in the kitchen that I love, so poinsettias or poinsettias, however you call them, they're a perfect touch to add over here, and I can easily remove them if I need this space for serving or kitchen prep.
But they hold nothing next to you.
So now I'm decorating the stove area, and I found this cute kitchen towel with that similar snowflake print to the Dollar Tree mugs from Joann's. I also found this wreath there, and it has the same kind of juniper blueberry look as the arrangement that is next to my dog treat canister, and I'm just hanging that up with a command hook above my stove. It hasn't been a problem while cooking, but if you are nervous about it, you could always take it down when you cook. I also found these spatulas at Joann's. I thought they were so fun, and this one has the same snowflake print too, so I'm kind of carrying a theme throughout my kitchen with little touches, and that really helps as well. And then this guy looks like Chip. I think my parents gifted me that, so I really wanted to use it. I was just kind of struggling, trying to figure out where to use him. And yeah, so I ended up just putting him in front of the wine bottle. I don't even drink wine, you guys. That's my mom's. I always like to have it here for when she comes over. But once I'm done with that, I always like to light a candle on my stovetop as well. And I just set it on a cutting board in case you're wondering. This is Spiced Cider by Capri Blue. It smells so good, and the jar is beautiful.
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you.
So the last area that I'm decorating is my kitchen table, and I actually hung that Merry Christmas banner up off camera as well. What do you guys think about that? Let me know. That was gifted to me for my birthday last year, and I had it in that same spot, but I wasn't sure if it was too much with the Christmas tree right next door. But all of these items that I'm showing you here are from the Target dollar spot. Literally everything on my table except for that little riser, which came in a Decor home decor subscription box, and it just adds a little bit of height to my centerpiece. It makes it look a little bit more important. And by the way, I keep this area simple too because it gets used all the time. I'm constantly taking this off of the table, and I don't want to fuss with something that's difficult to put back together. So I think this is really pretty. I do think it's lacking something. I might put some berries around the garland or maybe some fairy lights. I'm not quite sure, but I do love the simplicity and the fact that it was super inexpensive because most of it is from the Target dollar spot.
I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be.
So that is the kitchen, you guys. What do you think? Do you like like it? Do you think it's underdone, overdone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to visit me and support this channel. It really does mean so much to me. I cannot thank you guys enough. Good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. Remember that I will be announcing the winner in my community tab in a week. All the information is in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye now.